Hello and welcome to Sew Right. If you're a fashion designer, tailor, and sewing enthusiast who want your work to look more professional, you're in the right place. In this series, I'll be teaching you how to sew correctly, neatly, and professionally, not just how to sew fast. Many designers know how to sew, but just few know how to sew right. Sewing right means paying attention to measurements, fabric choice, cutting, fitting, finishing, and structure. A lot of designers struggle because they rush the process. They focus on completing the outfit instead of completing it well. When you sew right, your garment fits better, your finishing looks clean in and out, clients trust your work, and your value as a designer increases. This series will help you correct common mistakes, improve your skills, and raise your sewing standards step by step. So if you're serious about improving your sewing, make sure you subscribe and turn on your notification. In the next episode, we'll talk about sewing tools and how to use them the right way. Thank you for watching Sew Right. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.